Good afternoon, students. Students, today we will understand question answers and exercises of lesson number 7. That's name is iterative statements in Python. This is the name of the chapter, students. Now, now, students, question number 1. First, what do you mean by iterative statements? Give example. Answer is, students, the statements that keep repeating themselves as long as a given condition is true are called iterative statement or repetitive statement. Example, students, we will write a start value. C is the variable. We will write C equals to 0. Second, a test condition C less than equal to 10. A step value C is equal to C plus 1. Students, first answer will complete it. Second question, why are for and while loops called entry control loop? Students, answer, an entry control loop controls entry of the loop and checks the condition at the time of entry, and if the condition becomes true, then control transfers into the body of loop. If test condition is false, then loop body will be executed once. So for and while loops are called entry control loop. Now question number 3. Question number 3, students. What is the use of membership operators in Python? Answer, students. Membership operators play an important role in controlling the working of loop. There are two membership operators, in operator and not in. Now, students, we will complete exercises. Exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. The dash loop is used when we are sure about how many times a loop body will be executed. Here we can fill, students, for. Second, the in operator returns. Answer we will write, students, we can fill here true. Third, students, we can fill infinite loop. Fourth, students, we can fill interactive mode. Fifth, students, we can fill while. Is it clear, students? Fill in the blanks. Now, next question answer. The while loop. Now, students, next exercise, true or false. First, while loop has three main components: initialization, condition, loop body. False. This statement is false. Second, an infinite loop cannot terminate on its own. This statement is true. Third, initialization in looping is used to assign an initial value to the loop control variable. This is true statement. Fourth, the value of the counter variable cannot be decremented to n number of steps. This statement is false. Last, fifth statement, there are three membership operators in Python. This is also false. Now next exercise, students, multiple choice questions. In first, we can choose first a number, means looping. In second MCQ, students, we can use B means for. Third state multiple choice questions. Here we can choose a number means no output. Next, fourth, we can choose in this C number range. And fifth, we can choose a number means while. Then next exercise students, answers in one word. Means first is mention the other name of iterative statements, loop or looping students. Second, name the two types of iterative statement. Two types of iterative. First is for loop and second is while loop. Third, name the two membership operators in Python. First, in operator and second, not in operator. Fourth, which function is used to check the range in a loop? In this, we can use range function. Students, question answers and all exercises are completed of this lesson.